Get ready to dive deep into the tech universe as Google's Pixel 8 steps into the limelight. The Pixel event, slated for October 4th, is just around the corner, and it feels like we've already unwrapped most of the surprises thanks to the continuous torrent of leaks. In a recent advertisement, Google showcases the smooth data transfer process to the Pixel 8, but the real star of the show is the phone's cutting-edge AI capabilities. One standout feature is Best Take, which enables users to effortlessly insert faces from other images into their pictures. The ad also hints at refreshed first-party silicone cases for both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, available in an array of captivating colors. Interestingly, these cases bear a striking resemblance to last year's designs. Are you eagerly awaiting Google's Pixel 8 event? Share your thoughts and expectations in the comments below, and stay tuned for more updates.